Hi dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make McChicken sandwich or chicken sandwich. This McChicken sandwich recipe is very easy to follow. There is only 3 simple steps. The ingredients for this recipe are 5 pieces of chicken breasts, half a tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm gonna use my blender to blend the chicken breast. So I rinsed and cut the chicken breast in small pieces and I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna pour the blended chicken in a big bowl. I'm gonna season the chicken. I'm adding half a tablespoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, I'm gonna mix the chicken with all spices very well. My chicken is ready. I'm gonna take a little bit water in a bowl and I put this baking sheet on top of the oven tray. And then I'm gonna start making patties. Take a little bit ground chicken and then turn it to a ball and make it nice and flat. The water is helping. Keep dipping your hands into the water. The chicken doesn't stick on your hands or your gloves. I'm gonna stack them on top of each other, but put like baking sheet in the middle so they don't stick. Put the chicken in the freezer for an hour, and I'm gonna make the flour and the egg batter for the McChicken sandwich. Pour a cup of all-purpose flour and add half a tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it very well. In a separate bowl, pour about 1 cup of milk and add 1 egg to it. Mix it very well, and this is our egg batter. Pour oil in a frying pan. Let the oil warm up. And then I have my flour, my egg batter, and my chicken patties. They have been sitting in the freezer for an hour, so it's nice and easy to grab them, dip them in a egg batter, then cover them with the flour, and then put it in the frying pan. Fry it for 12 to 15 minutes and keep an eye on it so both sides cook evenly. Keep an eye on the chicken and keep turning it around so they cook evenly and the inside of the chicken is cooked too. The chicken looks good. It has been frying for 14 minutes on a medium-high heat. I'm gonna take a bun and then put a little bit mayo on top, spread it around. Put the crispy chicken patty on top, a piece of lettuce, and 2 pieces of tomato, fresh tomato. The homemade McChicken sandwich is ready. It's a very easy recipe, and I'm gonna serve it with some potato chips. This McChicken sandwich is easy and it's healthy. And overall it's fresh. You make it at home, so I love it. It's my favorite. It looks really tasty and healthy. It's homemade and you know what you put in your sandwich. If you want to skip the buns, just take 2 pieces of McChicken, put a little bit mozzarella cheese on top, and have it with lettuce, a little bit potato chips, hot sauce, or ketchup. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. I really appreciate your support.